In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add cookie consent banner in WordPress. We'll walk through the exact flow on WordPress.com to discover a trusted plugin, review its details, and start the setup so your site can display a compliant, professional-looking consent banner. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to your WordPress.com account and that your plan supports plugins. Start by heading to your WordPress.com dashboard and opening the Sites area. If you manage multiple sites, select the one where you want to add the banner. From the left-hand menu, click Plugins. This is where you can search the entire plugin library and connect tools to your site. Use the search bar to find what you need. Click into the search field and type Cookie Consent Banner. You'll see a list of results appear. Look for Real Cookie Banner, GDPR and ePrivacy. Cookie Consent by Devowel.io. Open that result to view the full plugin page. On the plugin page, take a moment to review the tabs. Start with Description to understand what the plugin does and the features it offers. Then switch to Installation to see the official guidance on how it's added to a WordPress.com site. The Changelog tab shows version history and recent updates, which is helpful for transparency and reliability. Finally, check the FAQs tab for quick answers to common setup and customization questions. This quick review helps you confirm the plugin fits your needs and is well maintained. When you're ready, click Get Started. WordPress.com will guide you through connecting the plugin to a site. If you need a new domain, choose the option to search domains and follow the prompts to find one that matches your brand. If you already have a domain, select Already have a domain, then choose the option to use your domain. This keeps your existing address while enabling the plugin on your site. Click Continue to proceed. At this point, WordPress.com takes you through the remaining steps to finalize the connection. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. Once the plugin is active, you'll be guided to configure your banner's text, consent categories, and appearance so it aligns with your policies and regional requirements. Keep your privacy and cookie policies up to date, and consider local regulations like GDPR or ePrivacy when choosing your consent options. That's it. You've navigated to your site, opened the plugins area, found Real Cookie Banner by Devowel.io, reviewed its details,